YouTube has changed. Not a small update, not a minor tweak. This was a complete shift in how the platform decides which videos succeed and which ones just disappear. Channels that were growing suddenly flatlined. At the same time, other channels completely exploded. Some gained over 2 million subscribers in just a few months. The way YouTube works has totally changed for better and for worse. If you understand the new rules, you can grow faster than ever before. But if you don't, the platform will quietly bury your content. Let's start with the biggest change, and honestly, this one scared me when I first learned about it. YouTube's new AI algorithm is watching everything. YouTube is no longer run by simple code. It's now controlled by something much more advanced. It's called Gemini, Google's version of ChatGPT, but way more powerful. And it's now responsible for the entire YouTube algorithm. Here's what that means for you and for me, because I'm a YouTube creator too. In the past, YouTube relied on basic signals, titles, tags, watch time, and other surface-level data. Now, Gemini analyzes your video frame by frame, word by word, and sound by sound. It listens to what you say, it reads the text on screen. It analyzes the images you show, it even detects your tone. If your video is meant to be funny, it knows. If you're being sarcastic, it knows that too. The Gemini-powered algorithm doesn't rely on your tags. It watches your content and decides for itself what your video is about. Your title matters less than your spoken words. Your thumbnail matters less than your visuals. The AI sees through the packaging and judges the actual product. That means what happens inside your video now truly matters, and here's where it gets interesting. Everything I've said so far isn't just scary, it is actually the biggest opportunity small creators have had in years. When Gemini fully understands your video, the topic, tone, visuals, pacing, and emotion, it can finally send your content to the right audience. Not random viewers, not the wrong niche, not people who click away after 2 seconds. It sends your video to viewers who already enjoy that type of content, people who stay, comment, subscribe, and binge. That's why some small creators went from 0 to 1 million views in just weeks. Gemini perfectly matched their videos with the ideal viewer profiles. Before this update, YouTube often guessed wrong. Videos were shown to people who didn't care, causing poor retention, and the algorithm buried those channels. Now, AI understands content in a way the old system never could. And it rewards creators by pushing their videos to viewers who genuinely love that style. In short, for creators who care about quality, this update is a massive advantage. But there's another side to this. If the system can detect when a channel is real, it can also detect when a channel feels fake. And this is where thousands of creators got hit some by mistake. Gemini doesn't just analyze your videos. It analyzes you, your behavior, your patterns. How you act on the platform. Why? Because YouTube is trying to answer one question: is this a real human creating real content? This leads to the next major change, one that caused thousands of channels to be deleted just last month. YouTube likely assigns every channel a hidden score. You can't see it, but it controls everything. I call it your trust score. Think of it like a credit score for your channel. The higher it is, the more YouTube trusts you and the more it promotes your videos. The lower it is, the more invisible your channel becomes. So how do you increase your trust score? How do you prove you're real? In this video, you learn how to grow faster in 2026 and how to protect your channel, especially if you run a faceless channel. Because now that AI is watching everything, even doing everything right doesn't always protect you from mistakes. Channels can still get terminated by AI errors. And yes, you can appeal, but it's slow, stressful, and time-consuming. It's better to prevent the problem entirely. Let me show you what triggers red flags. A brand new email is created. 10 minutes later, a YouTube channel is made. 1 hour later, a video is uploaded. Then another and another. The account never watches videos, never comments, never subscribes. It just uploads nonstop. Could that be a real person? Yes, but statistically, accounts like this are almost always content farms bots or AI-generated channels spamming low-quality videos. So Gemini flags them. This is why starting a brand new channel in 2025 can be risky. Not impossible, but risky. New accounts have zero trust, and zero trust means heavy monitoring. Here's the solution. If you're starting fresh, use an older email account, preferably one you've used for years. Your personal Gmail has history and behavior data. Gemini sees that and thinks, this is probably a real person. It's even better if you have Google services like YouTube Premium, Google One, or Workspace. Those are strong trust signals. Simply put, older accounts are safer. Now, there's one more powerful trust signal that most creators completely ignore: your channel trailer. When YouTube reviews your channel, and they will, the first thing a human reviewer is likely to see is your channel page. And the first video that plays is your trailer. Most creators leave this blank or use a random video. That's a huge mistake. Your channel trailer is your opportunity to tell YouTube exactly who you are and how you create content. Here's what your trailer should include: explain what your channel is about, show how you create your content, talk about your scripts, your editing process, and your ideas. Be transparent. If this is in place from day one, you answer YouTube's questions before they even ask them. Now, quick side note: if you make long-form videos, you already know the struggle. Turning them into short clips takes forever sometimes and are per clip. Most creators just don't have that time, and because consistency matters, they lose momentum. That's why I use Nexus Clips. You upload one long-form video, the AI scans it, finds the best moments, and automatically turns them into shorts, reels, and TikToks. You can still tweak anything you want, but 95% of the work is done. One long video becomes 5 to 10 short clips in minutes. And this matters because YouTube doesn't just reward long-form content, it also rewards shorts. If you post one long video every week or two, and shorts every day, you're signaling that you're a real, consistent creator, and YouTube rewards that. Now, back to the algorithm. YouTube doesn't just analyze creators anymore, it analyzes viewers. Every user has a detailed behavior profile: what they watch, when they watch, how long they stay, what makes them click, and what makes them leave. YouTube builds viewer models and predicts what each person wants to see next with scary accuracy. This is AI-driven viewer modeling, and it's the biggest change nobody is talking about. Your video isn't competing with every video on YouTube, it's competing for specific people. The algorithm asks, which viewer model does this video match? It tests your video with a small group. If they watch, engage, and feel satisfied, YouTube expands the reach. If not, the video dies. That's why niche clarity matters more than ever. If your content is too broad, YouTube doesn't know who to show it to. But if it's clearly made for a specific audience: fitness beginners, horror fans, small business owners, the algorithm knows exactly where it belongs. I know YouTube feels confusing right now. I was stuck too. But once I understood this, everything changed. Now, the final factor: YouTube's real goal isn't clicks. It's viewer satisfaction. Clickbait gets clicks, but it makes viewers feel tricked. And when viewers feel tricked, they trust YouTube less. So YouTube now measures how people feel after watching. Don't just make videos people click, make videos people are glad they watched. Deliver on your promise, provide real value. Gemini also evaluates creator intent. It tries to determine whether you're helping viewers or just extracting value from them. AI is getting incredibly good at detecting motivation. Creators who genuinely care about their audience are the ones winning in 2026. Content quality, pacing, storytelling, and energy matter more than ever, not to gain the algorithm, but to make viewers happy. And happy viewers are exactly what YouTube wants. Thanks for watching.